Ashawo, Awusha, Ashawo, Awusha.
I hope you like this one, ma.
Yes, the room is fine. It's okay. I like it.
That's good. Please, not of payment.
Okay, just give me a minute. I'm coming to the reception. I will see you when I come, okay?
Very good.
Oh, okay, ma. And please, ma, don't forget something for the game.
No problem.
Thank you, ma.
No problem. No, we just rush to me, my body calm down. You don't understand.
Madam, I never see payment.
Now money be your problem. Money day, no fear. Calm down. Man, we rush when my body calm down. Man, the reason where you don't understand.
I know they like koala. Maybe when I go start, and I go say Ashawo to get pepper body.
Take her off now. You're too slow. Guy, you sweet. You sabi. I'll do you well. Anyway, ma try settle these people for reception. Yeah, ma pay money for the room. Would you like to drink anything?
Okay, red wine is okay.
Order for something more expensive now. Oh, don't worry, I'll get you the most expensive wine. Okay? Would you like to eat anything? Are you hungry?
I swear, madam, I'm hungry. Ofia no let me talk.
Why?
The sea finish too much. Small thing now, I go say Ashawo supposed to chop for her house before you go work.
How much if you chop? Money day. Don't worry, I'll tell them to get you something to eat. What would you like to eat?
I mean, they give me pandu yam with a goosey soup, catfish, the head a center.
No problem. See, by the time I come back, we'll continue from where we stopped, okay? Just relax yourself. They'll get you the food. I'll be back in the jiffy.
Yes, come in.
Sir, is the receptionist.
Yes.
Sir, I came to collect money for the room, sir.
I don't understand. My person just went downstairs now. He go settle now just now.
Sir, she didn't do any settlement. She just left and said we are going to be the one to pay.
Which can't talk with that. She come out here just now and say she won't go settle now.
Oga, beg, not do that thing to me. My 6 months salary no go fit pay wetin na chop. This room alone is 55,000. She ordered 4 takeaway with wine. Everything total now 250. Oga, beg, just pay, cash or transfer, even when POS come.
Madam, you are embarrassing me. I don't like this. What nonsense is this one now?
Oga, beg, pay me something, George, because I dey use software they talk to you. I want to tell my manager say na chop na no pay. Oga, pay me my money.
What kind of embarrassment is this?
Go and ask your grandfather.
I don't want trouble.
Relax. See her bag. She never come out. Come out day here.
Ouch!
Madam, just carry me go station. Ashawo no favor me.